Everybody, this is Jackie from aslspeaking.org. So today's idiom is bang for the buck. Bang for the buck. It means you want something that's a good value. For example, you're shopping and you see something that looks nice, maybe a sofa or a couch. It looks good, but it's very expensive. So you could say to your friend, "Ooh, I think I want more bang for the buck." It means you want a better couch for that amount of money, or you want to buy a cheaper couch. Another example is maybe your employee at work. They do good work, but they are very, very slow. So you could say, "Oh, Ted, I wish he gave me more bang for the buck." It means you wished he did more work. All right, if you like this idiom, please hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also check out the Big Book of American Idioms. All right, until next time, bye everybody.